How to use Google Authenticator. Using Google Authenticator is fairly simple. Once you've launched the Authenticator app and logged in with a certain Google account which you want to use for various type of authentication, now you add the apps and accounts that you want to add for authentication. Now the app that you want to add will provide you a setup key or a QR code which you can scan by tapping the plus icon from the bottom right, and you can either scan the QR code or you can enter a setup key manually based on whatever type of account that you're trying to add. And after that, in a couple of seconds, your Google Authenticator app will always generate the codes which you can choose to log in if you're ever asked for authentication from that app. It is as simple as that. Google also has a feature where they allow backing up to Google Drive. You can see your codes have been saved to your Google account, or you can export these codes manually by tapping the three lines option, going to transfer codes, and you can export the codes, or you can also import the codes to bring the new codes in. So these are a couple of ways that you can do so and use Authenticator app. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.